At one point, I realized something important about my content. I was saying a lot of useful things, but it probably felt scattered to somebody who was watching. And it wasn't because my ideas were wrong, but because the structure wasn't clear yet. This happens when you're building while you are in the process of learning as well. You're sharing ideas, you're testing what makes sense, you're exploring different parts of your work. But when someone actually new arrives, they don't see that journey. They only see the collection of posts. And without any structure, that collection can feel very confusing. As I kept creating videos for Brand Impact 365, I started noticing patterns in what I was talking about. Some videos were about mindset, some were about brand clarity, some were about content strategy, others were about building trust with an audience. All of those topics matter in brand building, but if they're mixed together without any organization, it becomes harder for someone to follow. So I started grouping the ideas into playlists. That small change actually does something very important. It turns random content into a learning path. Structure helps people understand your brand faster. When someone can see categories or themes, they know where to begin and where to go next, and it removes a lot of confusion. Think about walking into a library where every book is placed very randomly. Even if every book is valuable, it would take a very long time to find what you need. But when books happen to be organized by topic, everything becomes a lot easier to explore. Content works the very same way. Once I organized my videos into clear playlists, it made the brand direction a lot easier to understand. Someone interested in mindset could go right to one place. Someone wanting to learn about content could go to another. Someone new to branding could start at the beginning. Instead of feeling scattered, the content began to feel like a system. And this isn't just a YouTube strategy. It's actually a brand strategy. Strong brands organize their ideas so people can follow them. So when your ideas have structure, people don't feel lost. They feel guided, and guidance builds trust. One of the quiet parts of building a brand is learning how to organize your knowledge. Not just what you know, but how people experience what you know. That's what structure helps with. If your content feels scattered, try organizing it into clear themes. That simple step can make your brand easier to understand and to follow. Clarity isn't just about what you're saying. It's also about how people can navigate what you've already been sharing and how you've been sharing it. My friend, if you found value in this video, please make sure to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next episode. I truly appreciate your support, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this episode, then like and subscribe to support Brand Impact 365 with LaMorvielle. And if you are struggling with your brand impact, then watch the next video.